Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make quick and simple no glue slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make super quick and easy no glue slime. The ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is body wash. You can use any type. I have a soft soap right here and this other one I got from Target that looked really pretty by the packaging, so we're going to test that out today. You guys will also need a bowl or plate to make your slime in. I just have these containers. And last but not least, you guys need a mixing tool, and I have these little forks I got from the Dollar Tree right here. So I'm first going to get out my containers, and I'm going to add my first soap, which is the soft soap. And these are one ingredient slime recipes, which is really awesome because you can make it if you only have soap around, and it's super quick and easy. So I'm going to put the soap right in there. Don't have to use that much because I don't want to waste it. And then I'm going to get mixing it up as well. Just mix it up a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to get the other soap out, and this one is a strawberry peach body wash, and I was really excited to try it out, and it's just clear, but that's fine. And I believe this is vegan as well, and it smells really nice, so that seems like enough too. I'm going to mix it up, and what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to mix each of the soaps up in the containers. That is enough mixing, and here it is. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this into the refrigerator for 2 hours each, and they're both going to be in the refrigerator, and every 30 minutes I'm going to take it out, mix it up, see how it's doing, and if it turns out okay, I'll put it back in. If it's not, I'll mix it up some more and put it back in. So I'll see you guys in about a second when they're all done. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour to an hour and a half, almost 2 hours, and here it is. And I actually mixed it up a bunch when it came out of the refrigerator to test it out, and they seem done. Here is the soft soap one, and I just want to say I love this soft soap body wash because I can already tell right away that this makes super nice slime. Yeah, but this makes super nice slime. It's really sticky right now still because it is obviously soap and it's going to be sticky, but you can see how nice the slime turned out and bubbly it is. And then here's this one. I didn't really check this right away, but I think this one turned out really awesome too. And yeah, this actually made awesome slime as well. It's actually really clear, as you can see. So both recipes made amazing, awesome slimes. They are a bit sticky, so I'm going to wipe off my hands over here with a napkin because it's soap, and it's soap slime, and it's a no glue slime, and it's not glue or anything, so it's going to be sticky from the soap. But yeah, these recipes turned out amazing. I really hope you try it out. I really recommend the Soft Soap brand. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, either by this brand as well, but I love this brand for making no glue slime. It reminds me so much of Suave Kids 2-in-1 shampoo slime, if you remember that from like 2017. But yeah, this recipe turned out amazing. I really hope you try it out, and if you do, put in the comments how it turned out for you. But I also want to say I am doing a giveaway. I am giving away AirPods and also a slime kit by Karina Garcia because I love AirPods, and slime is obviously something I really love, as you can see by my channel. And yeah, this giveaway was actually supposed to be for 700K. But I'm super close to 720K already, which is awesome and incredible, and I want to thank you guys so much for that. But yeah, to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is you have to be following me on all my social medias. But to enter this giveaway, all the rules you have to do is to follow me on all my social medias, my TikTok, my Instagram, YouTube obviously. You can check out my Roblox if you want. I even play Fortnite a bit. I'm going to do a live stream, maybe possibly this week on Fortnite. But yes, make sure you follow me everywhere. And the other thing is to ask your parents' permission to enter this giveaway, because I will need to contact you through Instagram most likely to make sure I get your address, and so I can send out this package, which is AirPods and slime and a note from me. And yeah, and also another thing for this giveaway is you're going to comment down below what you are most excited for the rest of 2020, because I know 2020 has been crazy and messy, but like what you're excited for the year. But yeah, so this is the giveaway. If you want more information on the giveaway, make sure you go check out my community tab on YouTube. I'm going to be putting all the rules and stuff because I explained them a little bit in this video, but I'm going to go in more depth in my community tab on YouTube, so go check that out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I love you guys so much. And yeah, bye guys. I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!